You can now download the PDF files of our episodes by leaving a comment with your email address, and the PDF files will be sent to you via email.
So hello and welcome to another tutorial series of PNG Maths exam solutions. On this episode number 1, we'll be discussing Grade 12 General Maths exam, Paper 1, 2015, and we'll be focusing on question 1 to 3. So let's begin. Now let's have a look at question number 1. Here the question is asking us to find the equivalent form of the given expression, provided that the expression is a fraction that has a surd. Well, this is simple. All we need to do is to rationalize the denominator. Provided that for this situation we multiply root 6 on both the numerator and the denominator. By doing so, we should be able to get our answer as root 6 over 2, hence giving us an alternative as B. So let's have a look at question number 2. Here the question is asking us to find the number of significant figures in the number 0.0307. To answer this question, we need to first understand that the first significant figure in the number is the first digit that is not 0. So by looking at the number again, we could say that 7 is the last digit and also the third significant figure. Hence, we can say the number is estimated to 3 significant figures, and our alternative should be B. Finally, let's have a look at question number 3. Here the question is asking us to find the range of the number set, provided that the highest value is 27 and the lowest is -13. To answer this question, we should keep in mind that the range is the difference between the highest and the lowest value. By subtracting these numbers, we should be able to get our answer as 40, hence giving us an alternative as A. So that concludes our tutorial for now. Thanks for watching and see you in our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our tutorials.